In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Vantage to TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be all set up and ready to enhance your trading experience with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. If you haven't visited before, TradingView is a powerful platform for traders and investors, providing advanced tools for market analysis. It's a great place to model your investment strategies and gain insights from financial markets. Once you're on the website, your next task is to open your chart. If you're new to TradingView, simply log in or create an account. If you already have an account, use your credentials to access your dashboard. Within your dashboard, locate the Charts option, which will give you access to a wide range of analytical tools and indicators. Now that your chart is open, direct your attention to the Trading panel, which you can find on the lower part of your screen. The Trading panel is your gateway to connecting with various brokers. This is where you'll be able to pair your TradingView account with Vantage, allowing you to trade directly from your charts. Once you're in the panel, you'll want to search for Vantage. Take a moment to appreciate the variety of options available, but today our focus is squarely on connecting with Vantage. Typing Vantage into the search bar will quickly bring it up as an option. After selecting Vantage, you'll see a Connect button. Clicking on it will initiate the connection process. If this is your first time connecting, you'll be prompted to log into your Vantage account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need them at this stage. A new window will pop up, guiding you through the login process. Follow any prompts or instructions that appear on your screen. It's important to input your credentials accurately to ensure a seamless connection. TradingView and Vantage work together to ensure your account details remain secure, so you can focus on trading without worrying about safety. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that the connection has been successful. You'll know everything is set up correctly if you see your Vantage account showing up within the TradingView interface. This integration is paramount for executing trades directly from your TradingView charts, offering you a streamlined trading experience. If you encounter any issues, revisiting each step can help troubleshoot the connection. Sometimes refreshing the page or re-entering login details resolves connection hiccups. TradingView also provides user support in case you need further assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Vantage to TradingView, integrating two robust platforms to enhance your trading momentum. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.